already. Just got it vacuumed and dusted. So it looks like there's a lot of oil spots. Got it as vacuumed as best as it could. Got it vacuumed up. It has a little bit of holes in here and there, but that shouldn't look too bad with the mat covering up that. Use this tough stuff, and then once I get it rinsed and scrubbed with tough stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and do a coat of super clean as well, just to try it out, see how it works out for me. And then I have some soapy water right here so I can just go ahead and dip the brush in as I scrub. But yeah, tune in, let's get it done. Back to the channel. So this morning I went ahead and pulled the carpet out of the parts car. Right now you're gonna go ahead and see me start to get to scrub it. I waited a little while, it got a little hot for me, so I just took a little break. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get back on there and get that carpet clean as possible and let it dry out before I go ahead and start painting it. So hopefully by the end of the day I'll have her painted and just be able to dry out for the night, and then go ahead and slap her in tomorrow maybe, depending on how far I get today. So just tune into the video, like and subscribe if you guys enjoy the channel, and then let's get it. Alrighty, I bought this at the 99-cent store. Plastic drop cloth. Don't need nothing real expensive, just something cheap, so I don't get the floor stained. Alrighty, so I got everything all set up, ready to go. We'll go ahead and use this vinyl and fabric specialty coating paint, duplicate color. You could get this at O'Reilly or AutoZone. But yeah, I'm gonna get a first layer on it, get the whole coat all over the carpet. I bought 2 cans, so hopefully that's enough. And then I'm gonna go ahead and brush it to one side and then start the other.